Hey my beautiful people, I welcome you guys back to my channel. Now, let's make some cheddar bay biscuits. So guys, for my cheddar bay biscuit, we have our all-purpose flour right here, buttermilk, butter, cheese, garlic powder, baking powder, and sugar. So now I'll be combining my flour, sugar, baking powder, and garlic powder. And I'm just going to whisk these together just to combine it. Okay. Cheese, now I'll be combining my butter and buttermilk. Whisk and pour in your dry ingredients. By using a rubber spatula. By using a rubber spatula, you're gonna mix it until it's moist and sticky. And your consistency should be sticky. Should have a sticky consistency. This is perfect. I have to dust the surface with flour so I can roll my dough. Now I'll be using a water glass to shape out my dough in the desired shape that I want. And if you guys have cutters, go ahead and do so. I didn't have any, so I just use what I have. Now I'm going to place those on my prepared baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then I'll be baking those at a temperature at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. So okay guys, while my biscuits are baking, I'm going to make my topping. So to make the topping, you're going to whisk together butter, parsley, and garlic powder in a small bowl. So my biscuits are finally out of the oven. Now I'm going to brush the tops of the biscuit with my butter mixture. And you want to serve those immediately warm, guys, because it's nasty when it's cold. But anyways, guys, I thank you so much. I thank you guys so much. I definitely see the new subscribers that I'm getting. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button once more if you are new. Thank you guys once more for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.